Well, hello again. I was asked the question today, how do I get little tiny embellishments that I make myself onto a card without leaving messy glue everywhere? And the answer is really simple. It's this stuff, double-sided tape. So the thing I like about making my own embellishments is that they can coordinate exactly with the image on my card. Here, for example, I've got a Distress Oxide coloured butterfly, and the embellishments were cut from the same piece of card. And what I do to make them is use the wastage from different dies. Now, I've dug out a few here for you to have a look at. Most of these are circles, but I've got dies with little heart-shaped holes in, squares, rectangles, all sorts, teardrops, all sorts. So you can have a look through your dies and see what you would normally be throwing into the bin. This has got lots of little circles, different size circles here. This is like the torn edge of a notebook, a border one, loads of tiny little dots, which are these. Different size circles here, different size circles here, more circles. This is the one I used yesterday. This one, I used the wastage from this. I was thinking I was going to use this die as a background for this kimono. And in the end, I thought that the bits in between looked rather better than the die itself. So that's what these little things are. And for this one, it wasn't a roll like this. It was some double-sided sheet that was on the back of the piece of gold card. So the way to do it is simply that. With these ones, I put some brown paper, wrapping paper, stuck it to a piece of card because it's much too thin to use by itself. A bit of double-sided tape on the back, ran it through the machine, and then I just pick up. It's so tiny, I can't pick it up with my fingers, and just pop it onto the card and press. It's just as simple as that. No glue anywhere to smudge or whatever. So you can just make a swirl or whatever. And there you go. Now this one is a bit of wastage from when I blotted some tissue paper technique. And what I did there is I've left a bit plain, and this little strip here, I don't know if you can see, but I just put some Versamark and some clear embossing powder on. So and heat set it. So if I wanted to cut a flower or a butterfly or whatever from this bit, I could use that bit and then use one of my many dies that have got holes in to get some shiny dots. And then, of course, the joy of that is that the embellishments you use would match your image exactly. Now, I think this is a record. A quick video from me. I think that's all I'm going to do for now. Any questions, put them in the comments and I'll try and get back to you with my response. But homemade embellishments to match your image using wastage from the dies you've already got. No need to spend any money. Thanks very much for watching.